Sometimes this happens when you park under a tree, that sometimes tree sap or some resin drips out from the tree, and when you try to wipe it off with the windshield wiper, of course it just smears everywhere without removing, because it doesn't dissolve in water. So in this video I'll show you something that works. Lacquer thinner, very straightforward. Of course, do it outdoors in a well ventilated area, because this stinks, or I don't know, reeks like death. Okay, it's a solvent that works perfectly fine on this kind of material. Of course it works on paint as well, so paint, solvent and other similar materials might also work. So lacquer thinner is just being one example. It's working. Dirt and all the tree sap here is being removed. Takes a few minutes to check all your angles from different points here. Make sure everything is absolutely clean, and your windshield wipers will also have some of them on it, and this does dissolve rubber or synthetic rubber windshield wiper is made out of, so go easy on that. The wipers just might need replacement.